Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Jamaica spent more money on imports at the end of April this year compared to last year. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says from January to April, spending on imports was valued at $2.3 billion. That represents a 34% increase compared to the same period in 2021. The uptick was driven by increased spending on raw materials, intermediate goods, and fuel. Meanwhile, the country also earned more from exports. Statin says $511 million was raked in from locally produced goods sold outside of Jamaica. Export earnings January to June this year were 1.3% higher than the same period in 2021 when $504 million was earned. The increase in exports was primarily due to a 53% jump in the category mineral fuels. Dollar Financial Services has expressed an interest in taking over popular microlender Access Financial Services. A letter was sent to the management team of Access Financial outlining a non-binding expression of interest to discuss the takeover. Dollar says it awaits a response in order to proceed with the confidential information due diligence process. If that is done, Dollar says it would be in a position to make a formal offer to acquire Access. The US dollar is being sold for an average $152.22. $118.05 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar and $183.24 for the pound. It's costing an average $156.64 for the euro. And to the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 809 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 23 points. Among the winners, Margaritaville Turks, Lumber Depot, Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, and G West Corporation. Leading decliners include Productive Business Solutions 9.7%, Cumulative Redeemable, Portland Siboney Group, Mayberry Investments, and Caribbean Cream. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.